Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Bucket List, and here we are today at the Florida Railroad Museum in Parrish, Florida. Let's check it out. Now right here you have the indoor little train museum, or model train type thing. And across the way, of course, you have gift shops and things like that you can buy little souvenirs from. And you also have this open air little train cabin for the guest. And then right here we're going to take a little tour through the actual train, the indoor train cabin that you have. This area is pretty nice too. I kind of broke it up. I did half and half for the train ride. Now, as you can see, it's a beautiful, nice, and natural environment. It's out in the open, so if you go like when I went, which was around, I believe it was September, the weather, at least in Florida, was really, really nice. It's just a beautiful day. It was a Sunday, just nice and relaxing. And you get a front view of everything as well. Now that guy down there, that is our conductor, and he was actually pretty cool. He knew a lot about trains. Now here's a quick warning for my headphone users, be careful. Now, here's some of the things that you're going to see on your way to the second stop of your little train ride. Now the second station is actually a lot smaller than the first little station you go to, which isn't really saying much, but it's still a cool little place to go to. Then you also hear some clips from one of the events they had, the Tom's the Train event. And this is inside the little museum they have at the second stop. Now, like I said, this place does have different events, and one of the events they also have is a World War II reenactment, so that one's actually really cool. Unfortunately, during my actual trip, I didn't see any of this, so this is clips from other people's videos, but either way, it's cool things to see. Now let's get on to the pros and cons, starting with the pros. And here's the cons. As far as my rating, I say maybe try it out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.